What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Fishing Gods. Today we are just doing bass fishing. There is no challenge. It's just us fishing for bass. Stay tuned for tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to be going through hell. I haven't told Riley about this, but we are going to be going through hell tomorrow. Do you want to hear what we're doing tomorrow? We're recording until we catch a bass. So it could be real quick, or it could take a couple hours. But either way, we'll be posting the whole thing. There will be no cutouts. Right now, we're just fishing. If we don't catch anything within like the first 20 minutes of the video, then we'll probably just cut it, because that's usually how long our videos are. 10 minutes for sunfish. Around what? Around 20 for bass? Hopefully we catch something. But tomorrow, should we go until one of us catches something, or we both catch one? Oh my god, it's taking a bit longer. We don't go home till 12 p.m. in the morning. That doesn't make sense, but I don't care. Hey Sean, let's mother fudging go.
Right away.
Dude, don't tell me I squared on my recording. Will we finally get to see my fish? We will. Stop. You're just making it harder. You're just making it harder for me to get you. I knew buying this at Cabela's for 15 bucks was, I mean, not 15 bucks, for $5 was worth it. Oh, okay. Stop moving. Let's go. Hey, picture. I will smack you with this bass.
Wow.
Bass smack. I'm joking. I can just take a picture of it by myself. Go. No, not me. Bro, what a bass. To start off the day too. I mean, not the day. We were actually doing this video right after we did the swim bait one, because we don't know if we'll be able to go tomorrow. It's always the small ones that get me wet somehow. The big ones just go. Oh. Wash off the fish lame. What a cast.
This thing is like so light.
Is it actually?
Yes, you can't be saying anything. Look at that.
What is it? Why are you casting that? Why out of every single bait you have, you pick that? Money hole. Come on, give it to me. Oh, bro, I'm cold and wet now. Oh, dude, I was really hoping we were gonna be able to do the clickbait back-to-back bass, because I was really hoping I was about to catch one. But you know, it's not really clickbait if you actually do it. I don't think I'm gonna do it, because that's clickbait and nobody likes that. I'm probably just gonna start moving down, Riley. Like, just move down this way, please. Oh, come on, give it to me. When you cast so far, the bird's nest comes out by itself. Oh, that's a bass right there, or it could be, or it's just water dripping off from my line. Comment down below any I'll probably say this in the beginning. I'm not gonna. Comment down below if you're still watching. Comment down below if you have any challenges you guys want us to try. That doesn't cost a ton of money. I am becoming poor. Oh no. I'll take that. I'll take that. As long as I get to keep this lure that I haven't even had for 24 hours. Well, that was a really good shot too. My foot stuck. Oh no. Where? Okay. So there's that. Then my foot is stuck in between these. Up. Down, I guess. Up. Through. I'm through. I'm free. I'm a free man. Somewhat. Okay. Well, that really did a number on the presentation on this right now. Gotta fix that. Hooks down. Sweet. Back to being a beauty. My best chance of catching a fish tomorrow when we do that bass thing is probably standing back there for the first, second, and maybe even third cast. Just to make sure that there's no fish camping here. Just trying to keep this along the bank. If there's any fish in the reeds, they can come out and get it. It doesn't look like it. Also, we're caught up in more weeds. We're gunk. Let's move forward a little bit. Plop that there. Probably one last cast, just down the middle. Oh God, I should not have been so cocky. Well, let's hope we can get it out by just casting like we were able to earlier. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Hold on to it. Let's just reel in and then get over there. I think he already let it go. That is tiny. Here, let the GoPro get a good view of it. Oh, here, let me see this.
It's tiny.
That is tiny.
I saw it too.
You saw it moving? Uh-huh. Okay, guys. That's already 2 bass for today. I think we're gonna wrap it up. The GoPro is almost dead. Here, if I catch one more, if I catch a fish on this cast, we'll keep going. But if I don't, we're done. Looks like we're done. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you.